Supply chain has never been more important, and this is where technology can help so much with transparency and real-time agility. Supply chain visibility is a data problem, right? It all comes back to that data. So getting transparency is about getting that data, not just about what you're doing directly, but into that next tier of suppliers as well, right? It's one thing to know that my supplier is okay, but what if their suppliers are not? And so it's really about getting transparency. And that's what technology can help with. When you're choosing different suppliers, being able to have the visibility and to know, are there any human rights violations going on within that organization or that supply chain of that organization? Or what is the carbon choices they're making to be able to pull that in? And we're working with a lot of our customers, for example, of not just their Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions, but even down into Scope 3 measuring of emissions, so they can get that end-to-end visibility. So one of those examples, but also circular, right? Helping connect. Just this morning at breakfast, we had two people in kind of respective industries, and one was making tires and one was recycling tires, and they got connected and thinking about how do you bring kind of a full life cycle view of something that you're creating into reuse. But also it's just generally about doing the right thing, meeting the metrics that companies have put out and set for themselves, but they're not yet sure how to attain them. One example of an airline, a cargo shipment company that we work closely with, they actually chose during the COVID pandemic to take the moment when they had a lot of their fleet grounded to switch to biofuel. And that was based on both them setting goals and standards for their sustainability, but actually more so their customer demand. As they were shipping, expensive cargo, and those clients wanted to talk about their supply chain and their carbon footprint through their whole supply chain. So they needed to, as a transport provider, help meet those criteria for their clients. So it really was driven by the market, both from their internal standards, but also their whole supply chain standards as well.